Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Selly, and we are going to give you an update on our Backcove 34o build that we've got, as you can kind of see behind me here. We're starting out back here in the transom. As you can see, we have a trio of the Lumishore SMX 153 underwater lights getting installed on the transom here. That goes along with a whole suite of lights and everything else we've got going on also on board this boat. So let's hop up there and let's see what TJ and Corey have been up to on this build. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're going to start off up forward on this build. And like I said, not only is this getting all the Lumishore lighting, this is also getting a incredible audio upgrade. As we take a peek up here, you're going to see a pair right there of the JL M3 speakers. So those are an upgrade over the factory option. You can see here we are going ahead, we're getting the Fusion stereo, getting that all dialed in and up to date with its latest software. I think I showed you guys in the last video kind of what we've got going on as far as the navigation side of things go. So if I tilt this helm back here, you're going to see we have the Axiom 19-inch display. We have a pair of the i70s right there. We've got our Optimus joystick, our Suzuki controls, our Optimus display right there as well. Our zip weight controls right here. And then if we pop this back open, you can kind of take a look. We can see we're still getting wiring done and buttoned up. We're getting everything nicely labeled, getting everything in, getting our extra fuse panels in. And this boat is also getting the Yacht Sense system from Raymarine. That is their new digital switching platform. This boat is truly going to be a one-of-one build, just to kind of prototype everything that's going on here and showcase what is possible with the Yacht Sense digital switching system from Raymarine. So we've got all of that going on. Like I said, we're doing an audio upgrade here. Actually, as we pan around, you'll see we've got a pair of the M677s right there. Then we've installed another pair of the M677s right there. That's getting powered by a 6-channel amp. And then we have a monoblock sub amp, because that's powering this big boy right here. We have a 12-inch JL sub. So this boat really rips. Once we get everything dialed in and tuned in, we're going to give you guys a full video of everything that's going on there. And like I kicked off the start of this video, we talked about the Lumishore. Well, every one of these overhead lights here is being replaced with Lumishore's Lux color tunable lighting, and that same thing holds true for down there in the cabin for the overhead lighting. So we're going to get full color tunability lighting on this. But we didn't just stop there. We're going ahead, we're doing their new color tunable spreader lights, and then this boat has a bunch of courtesy lights from the factory. Now we could have just left those as white courtesy lights, and that just would have been that, and on off you have some white courtesy lights. But we don't like to leave well enough alone here. We like to go that extra little bit and make that extra little thing. To that end, we have actually made our own courtesy lights here. We've taken the original existing housing here. As you can kind of see, we've cut them from the back, and we have added in the Lumishore courtesy lights that fit right into here. So now we have full color tunable courtesy lighting to go along with our overhead lighting, to go along with our speaker lighting, our spreader lighting, our underwater lighting, and everything else. So this boat is really starting to come together and look really cool. We've got FLIR M300 mounted up on the mast. We've got the Razor light, a pair of Razor lights up front for the floodlights. So everything's really coming together on this build, and we can't wait to show you the finished product with the Yacht Sense digital switching and how that all integrates and makes this basically a very smart boat that you'll be able to control from your app, from on your phone, from your devices here, all that kind of stuff. So a lot of cool stuff going on. We can't wait to show you. We're grateful that Raymarine is giving us the opportunity to showcase this, and for our client for trusting us to make all this stuff come together. And we can't wait to show you the finished product here real soon. So you know the spiel. Give us a follow, like, subscribe, share, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Navtronics to stay up to date and in the know with the latest marine tip, techs, and trends. Peace.